Hi, this is Chris Herbert, and this is another Maps BI in a minute. I'm going to pretend that I'm a fleet manager, and I've recently joined a company, and I want to get a sense of how the fleet is performing around specific performance indicators. So we have a fleet scorecard dashboard here, and I'm going to pick a one-year time frame to see what's happened in 2014. And I'm going to scroll down and look at some of the key performance indicators that we're measuring. And as you can see, with erratic driving, idling, speeding, and after hours and mileage, that things are looking pretty good. But as you notice, I'll scroll down and I'll note, we see that there's been some speeding in March. It looks like May. So what I'd like to find out fairly quickly is why that's happening. So what we can do is we can get to the data very easily by just changing the timeline, which I'm doing right now. We'll take a look at March to start off with. That looks pretty good. And as you can see, the scorecard has changed, and some of the performance measurements that are critical to our business aren't looking so good, especially speeding miles. So what we can do is we can very quickly find out which vehicles were specifically speeding on more frequently than we'd like, and we can go and this is actually a vehicle, another vehicle, third vehicle, and this vehicle here is actually, because the bar is smaller, it means that there's a higher risk. So we will go and talk to the driver or drivers of that vehicle and get a sense of what's happening sometimes during their routes, to find out where they're speeding, why they're speeding, that sort of thing. And the idea here is to minimize risk, improve driver safety and public safety, and hope this has been a useful Maps BI in a minute. We've gone over, we're about 2 minutes, but this gives you a sense of how quickly you can take data from what's called telematics data from vehicles, and very quickly get an understanding of the risk, get an understanding of areas in which we need to explore and improve, to make sure that our fleets run better and more safely, and that drivers are driving within acceptable rates. I hope this has been useful. If you'd like to try Maps BI, feel free to register for a demo, or let us know, and we'd be happy to give you a one-to-one demo if that's your preference. Thank you for your time.